Alright, I'm actually going to name this video frequently asked questions about Puk Forum, because I'm going to be providing answers to most of the questions that my network, those that have introduced to Puk Forum, and those that have been asked, have intentions of joining Puk Forum, have been asking me. Alright, so number one on my list is, why are my posts not approved on Puk Forum? Well, like I said, in I don't know, for those that came to me and wish to join, during the introduction, I made it clear that Puk Forum is not an online community where you just come to earn. It's an online community where you earn for your contributions. Okay, so you don't expect to just come on the website and you dump trash. You just go to somebody's website, you copy and paste the person's full post, and you publish it on Puk Forum expecting to get end. Like, no, Puk Forum does not work that way. Alright, even if you must copy and paste a website, you must make sure it is well edited. If possible, make sure it's as edited that even the uh somebody reading it cannot even detect if it's a corporate content. You get, and make sure the post has value, it adds value to the audience. Those that are coming to read posts on Puk Forum, they come there for to get benefits. So if maybe your post is not contributing to the growth of the forum, then you should not expect to get earned for it. So I think your post will probably just get trashed. Well, for those that do not know how to make posts that will get approved on Puk Forum, I'll make another video entirely different, just to show you how you can get posts that you'll be dropping on Puk Forum to get paid, and I'll also show you how you can edit such posts for you to earn. Okay, alright, so remember, if you're posting and you want your post to be approved, it must add value to the audience, those that will be coming to read it on Puk Forum. Okay, second on my list is, why is my comments not approved on Puk Forum? Well, like I said, Puk Forum is not a place where you dump trash. If your comment has no meaning, it has no relation to the article you just read, you should not expect to get paid, because Puk Forum is not a charity organization. They don't just dash money like that. You are being paid for your contributions. So okay, let's say you read an article about there's an imam, it's actually religion, and a pastor or a church building a mosque for Muslims. Such kind of posts arouse public interest. Okay, but now imagine somebody coming there to post, okay, all right, thanks for the information. This kind of comments do not contribute to the growth of the article. It does not add any value to such article, so you should not expect to get paid for posting such kind of trash. Your comments must add value to the content that you've just read. Same way, if you're posting an article, your article must add value to the website, and your article should be something that people would love to search for. Okay, so if maybe you've read the article and you do not know what to comment, then leave it and just go to another article. There are almost thousands of members on the site, and most members are making new posts, and there are lots of categories. You have news, entertainment, education, you have religion, you have fashion, you have lifestyle. So there are lots of categories that you can post on. So you just look for a category that suits you and that you can relate with, and then you go there, read articles on that there, then you make your comments. If not, you leave it. There are many other ways to earn. Don't force yourself, but because you want to earn, you start posting trash or rubbish on the site. It will not be approved, rather it will just be deleted by the moderators. Next on my list is, why did I not receive my daily login bonus? Well, this one is actually very easy. If maybe you already logged into the website previously, let's say you just open your browser and you go to your my account page, you will not earn any bonus. Why? Because you are already logged in. Now, this login bonus is for every daily login, meaning if maybe you really want to earn this daily login bonus, you have to log out of your account and then log in again. So once you log out and log in again, it is counted as a fresh login, and then you get paid for logging in. That you earn your daily login bonus, which comes in every day. Okay, so that's that for that. Then the other one is, why is sponsored activities not posted every day? Well, by the name sponsored, sponsored means paid activities. People pay for it. Okay, you can just have they can't just be posting sponsored activities from nowhere. If maybe there's no advertiser posting sponsored activity, then you should not expect sponsored. Sponsored means that it is a paid advert. Someone paid for it, either the moderators or an advertiser, or maybe any member of the audience just wishes to promote something. That's sponsored activity. So like such kind of sponsored activity can be somebody that wants to promote his or her YouTube page, YouTube channel, can just say, this is what I want. I want to get 1,000 followers, 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube. So make it a sponsored activity on PF Forum, which is Puk Forum. So once they pay to get that channel promoted on Puk Forum, it's a sponsored activity, and all members will now be tasked with the job of performing that sponsored activity in exchange for payment. So sponsored activities is you earn up to 100 naira for performing sponsored activities. So sponsored activity can be you logging on Facebook, liking a page, commenting. There are many other kinds of sponsored activities that can be performed on Puk Forum. So you should not expect it to come in every day, because it's a paid activity. Only when somebody pays for it, that is when you can get it. Then the next one is, how does Puk Forum affiliate network work? Now, Puk Forum affiliate network is I don't know if you are aware of network marketing. Puk Forum affiliate network is it's more of like, they want you to build a channel. They want you to build a link, build more of like downlines. Yes, network marketers call it downlines. But let's take for example myself. Okay, I have to, if maybe I want to build my network, I have to refer somebody close to me, like my friend, my brother, or anybody to join. Now once that person register with my affiliate referral link, automatically that person is an affiliate under my network. So for me to build my network, I need to invite as many people as I can to join the affiliate network. Now for each of these people I invite, I will earn 1,000 naira, which is the commission for bringing in a new affiliate. Now when this affiliate joins your network, for each member that they will refer to join their own network, you'll be earning extra commissions up to 100 naira each from each of them. So this affiliate network is one of the best ways to earn, because you can be sleeping and your network or your downlines will be referring members to join the affiliate program, and you just wake up and you see, whoa, I have 10,000 naira already in my account. Who did this? Jesus. Don't mind me, I'm a reading man, so who actually love that. Alright, so that's that for affiliate networking. And now this is the last question on my list. It says, how can I refer someone to Puk Forum and earn my referral commission? Alright, for you to refer someone to join your network, you have to log into your affiliate account. On the affiliate area, you see a section that says username, as you can see on the screen. So this link here, this your referral link, is what you share to the person. So now for anybody that clicks on that referral link, you earn a commission. Okay, so the commission is 1,000 naira, because the person have to pay 1,500 for registration, and 1,000 naira it's yours as, and automatically, like I said in my I said earlier, automatically the person will be added to your network. So you should do your best to get as many people to be registered under you as your downline, so you have more chances to earn on Puk Forum. Okay, so this is the link you share to your friends and anybody that wishes to join the Puk Forum affiliate program, so you begin to earn affiliate commissions. Alright, that's that for the video. If you find this video interesting, make sure you subscribe and give a thumbs up, and also leave comments if you have further questions, and I'll do my best to reply to as many questions as possible. I really appreciate you joining this video, and I want to say thank you, and please make sure you share this video to as many people that wish to learn more about Puk Forum. I think this will help you and reduce the limit at which you have to talk to people. Rather, they'll just watch it and then they'll know what they're expected to do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.